Hi, Kumar here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the different time frames for price charts. You can change the time frame of any chart you are viewing. So you can view price information over weeks or even just over minutes. For example, this right here is a 15-minute chart. It is showing what the price is every 15 minutes. So each price point has 15 minutes worth of time between them. So as you can see here, this point right here is the price at this time right here, which is 6:15. The next point here will be the time right here, which is the next 15-minute time period, which is 6:30. This is showing the price every 15 minutes because this is what we have selected here. Now normally on your charting package you will have a button that can be pressed where you can select the time frame. Here on this charting package, if I just lower the chart a bit, you can see here that we can select all of these different time frames here. We can go up to the month, we can go weekly, we can go to the daily time frame, we can go to the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, the 30-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and even the 1-minute time frame. You can also select other time frames such as the 3-minute, the 2-minute, 5-hour, whatever you want, and that is normally selected within the options of the charting package. So I can change it to say the daily time frame here. So this shows the price every single day, and the line chart just simply connects the dots. So the price is recorded at the start of each day, and the line chart just connects the dots, and there you have your line chart. Each price point here is the price at the start of each day. There is 1 day worth of time between each price point here, and according to whatever you select in your time frame, that's how much time will be in between each price point. So for example, when the next hour starts, this point right here will stop moving and it will be recorded on the chart. And then for the next hour time frame, the next price point will begin and will finalize when the hour is over. So each price point that I am indicating right now is the price each hour, because we are on the hourly time frame. As you saw, these charts show historical prices as well, so you can see where price was in the past. This is of very important use to us because it's from the past price movement that we can see patterns appear, and we can then use these patterns along with where they made price move to in our trading. Carry on reading below, and I'll see you in the next video.